Once upon a time, there lived a mouse, a bird, and a sausage. They all lived happily together in a lovely cottage. They were all great friends and they all had their own separate jobs. Look, here goes the mouse into his bedroom. Go on, mouse. Go into your bedroom. And the bird goes on to the roof. They all lived happily together doing their own little jobs. In a prosperous, loving house. The bird's job.
Hello everybody! So, I guess you're all wondering what my job is. Well, I fly off into the forest with all the big trees. And I go and collect some wood. Yes, I collect many woods, yes, as you can see. In my beak, I now have a piece of wood. And now I'm going to fly off into the house to go and put it in the fire.
The mouse's job.
Okay, so my job is that I need to go off to the well to get some water. And then usually I'd lay the table and make the fire for the food. I'm going off now to collect the water. The bucket I use to get the water is really big, so we have a lot of water. I usually need to go right into the well to make sure I have all the water. And I go off back to the house. In the kitchen, I then flavor the water so that I can have some more lovely flavors to the dinner.
The sausage's job.
I, the sausage, my job is to flavor the food. So I dunk my butt into the cauldron and I flavor the food.
He who is too well off is always longing for something new. Bird meets a friend.
Hello, I have an amazing job. All I have to do is go to the woods to collect wood.
You stupid bird, that sounds like a stupid job. Why don't you try swapping? What's what I thought?
So off the bird flew home, with these thoughts echoing in his head. Maybe I got a lousy job, it thought to itself. The argument. I think we should change jobs.
Well, I don't because I like my job.
Blah blah blah. I think we should just stay.
No, we should change jobs.
No.
Change jobs.
No, don't change jobs.
Yes.
No, guys.
And in the end, they decided to change jobs. The sausage gets the job to go and get the wood. The mouse gets the job to go and cook the food. And the bird gets the job to get the wood. So off the sausage goes to get the wood. Bye bye, sausage. The sausage sets off looking for wood.
me. Stay away. Stay
Tasty
away from me.
sausage.
Go away.
A very tasty
Stay away from me.
sausage.
Stay away from me.
Come here,
Stay away.
sausage.
Oh no. The mouse and the bird get worried.
Oh no! Where is the sausage? Oh, I have no idea. Maybe we should go look for him. You know, that is a very, very good idea. Yes, I know it is a good idea. You know what?
Bird goes to look for the sausage.
What is that? Don't eat. Oh, you down there! Did you eat my friend?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I saw a tasty sausage, and I do what dogs do best, which is eat tasty sausages.
You stupid dog! That was our friend! He cooks us dinner, you stupid
I
thing!
like your friend.
The bird flies home to tell Mouse what had befallen the sausage.
I wonder what the sausage is. Maybe this one. Yes, this one. Oh, I don't have a good feeling about getting into that pan. Oh, it's hot! Oh no! Hot! Hot! Hot!
Mouse was no more. Bird comes back.
Where is that stupid mouse? He's supposed to be cooking. Maybe he's under the cauldron. Oh, I think it's got fire. Oh no! Oh no! Ah, fire! My feathers! Ah, catching fire! I'm going to die!
Both mouse and bird are no more. The end.